fuck all these motherfuckers. I'm gonna go out and I'm gonna become the baddest motherfucking business owner that ever existed. And by the way, if you don't like it, I'm gonna run you the fuck over. You're gonna have to work for a really long time doing shit that you fucking hate to ever get the opportunity to do what it is that you actually love to do. It's very difficult, or it's very frustrating, or it's very hard, because that's the phase where everybody quits. And you don't want to be one of those people that quits. It's persistence, it's fortitude, it's grit, it's persevering the hard times. It's pushing through the times when everybody else quits, when things are frustrating and things are draining and it's sucking your soul and you'd rather die than take another step forward. It's pushing through those times that produce the greatness in your craft.